guys, Dr. Jesse, Superior Physiotherapy and Performance. Here I have for you today an exercise I use with all my clients, whether you're an expert in the gym or a beginner in the gym. This exercise is not only good for those of you who like to be in here lifting heavy weights, but it's one of the main staples of pretty much any functional movement we do as humans in or out of the gym. And what we're targeting here specifically is our mechanics with what we call a hip hinge. So that's essentially how we are bending at our hips or flexing at our hips, or the lack of. This exercise is going to help you and anyone else who's having some issues with that. Really make sure we hone in on those mechanics so that we're saving your back and strengthening the most optimally in what we do here in the gym. So let's dive right into it. First off, what I see with a lot of people, whether they're deadlifting or they're going to pick up something off the ground, if you kind of pay attention to my low back here, we're doing this number, right? So see how rounded I am in this position? It's curved. That's not going to be healthy for your back over time, and especially if you put it in a loaded position where you're pulling 400, 500 pounds off the ground. That's going to cause some issues down the road. What it should look like is more of a straight line, and that's what this dowel rod comes into play here. Okay, so you're going to take this dowel rod. If you're concerned about 3 points of contact, it should stay in contact with the back of your head, in between your shoulder blades, and then at your tailbone throughout the whole exercise, okay? So that's our goal. What that's gonna do is force this motion to come from your hip hinge, as we talked about, rather than rounding in your low back. It's gonna save your low back, okay? So here we are. This is what it looks like from the side. See, I'm in a nice straight line. You're gonna wanna brace your core a little bit, tighten up, almost if someone was gonna give you a light punch in the stomach, you wanna tighten a little bit, and then you're just gonna work on bending forward. Notice all 3 points still in contact with the dowel rod. I'm in a nice level straight line, and then you're gonna come back up, okay? Again, one more time. Should look like this. Come back up. All right, and then from the front, same thing. All right, nice straight line. Come forward. Come back up. Couple things to notice too, as I do this, my knees are also bending, okay? I'm not staying stiff with my knees straight. Your knees should bend a little bit as you do this, right? So when you're at home, picking up your kid off the floor, bending down to pet your dog, this is still extremely relevant to that. Go ahead and give this a try. Let me know what you think. Follow us on Instagram at Dr. J, Superior PT. Find us online at www.superiorpt.com. Find us on Facebook at Superior Physio. And remember, when you feel your best, you perform your best.